In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Wealthsimple. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up their website, which is my.wealthsimple.com, and you want to sign into your account. Now, before you start buying stocks, you want to make sure you actually have an active account over here, which currently I don't, and then you have to have some money on there as well, okay? So in case you don't know how to do this, you simply can press add money over here, and if you don't have any accounts, first click add an account, and then you'll be able to select which account you would like to open, and then you can add money by using this button over here. Then you can link your bank account, and then you can add funds via that. Now, once you've done this, you can then go ahead and start buying stocks on Wealthsimple. And you can do this by going up here, top right, where it says search name or symbol, and then you want to type in the name of the stock. So for example, I'm going to go with Tesla right now. Of course, you can select whichever one you want. So just for this instance, I'm going to go with Tesla. And then what's going to happen, you're going to see this graph over here, and then on the right here, it will say buy. Now over here, make sure stocks is selected, not options. And then order type should be, of course, whatever you want. It can be a market buy, a limit buy, or it can be a stop limit buy. Okay, so you can do whatever you want here. And then you can buy either in shares or in dollars. So, of course, an easier understanding is if you do dollars right now, as you can see, because you can just type in how much you'd like to buy, or in case you're familiar with trading, you can do shares as well. And then after you do this, you can just select how much you'd like to buy. For example, 100 over here, and then it's going to say how many shares that is, like the estimation over here. And then it says you will add this much in the next step, and it will be converted to USD to complete your order. So once you've done this, make sure you actually select your account over here. And then once you do that, click on next. Follow your on-screen instructions over here. So in case you don't have enough money, you'll have to add it over here. And then after you do so, you'll be able to buy your stocks just like this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.